Ayan, nagbabagyo dito guys ng snow. Ayan o, ang dilim ng kalangitan. It's snowing here in Istanbul. Look, you cannot see anything there. It's all fog. And back to the street. It's already white. Nahirapan na siyang umakyat, mag-drive. It's very sleepy now.